one of the following is a viral disease that weakens the muscles? Ninth question. So, the option 1, atrophy. Option 1, atrophy. It is a condition in which there is a degeneration of muscles. Degeneration of muscles. Destruction of muscles. These muscles, buttocks muscles, in stomach, in total body muscles are degenerated, destroyed. So the actual size is gradually decreased due to various diseases, that is cancer, AIDS, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, chronic obstructive, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Due to them, atrophy disease will suffer. So, but the question asked, which of the following is a viral disease? That particular viral disease weakens the muscles, not atrophy. 2, poliomyelitis, polio disease. So the polio disease is caused by the virus. That virus is called poliomyelitis virus. Okay, so exactly 20 years back, many people used to suffer polio disease. The polio disease is caused by the poliomyelitis virus. So this virus mainly attack on motor neurons and destroy the motor neurons. Attack on motor neurons and destroy the motor neurons. That polio disease is caused by the virus that is called poliomyelitis. Okay. So according to the question, the correct answer is 2, poliomyelitis. Ninth question. Ninth question answer is 2, poliomyelitis. So generally, in our body, neurons division is completed when we were in mother's womb, in mother's uterus. After completion of those neurons division, those neurons lost the capacity to divide. Remember a very important point. When we were in mother's womb, the process of development of neurons is finished. After finishing the development of neurons, they lost the capacity to again division process. That's why if any damage occurs in neurons, that's maybe motor neurons, sensory neurons, mixed neurons. If any damage occurs in sensory neurons, motor neurons and mixed neurons, that damage is permanent. That damage is again not cured by any type of medicines. Due to that reason, if any virus is attack on our body neurons, nerves, that damage is permanent. That damage is not cured by any medicines. Due to that reason only, so if any virus, poliomyelitis virus attack on our body, that virus destroys our body, motor neurons. If neurons are damaged in our body, that particular organ is damaged. So if you see 20 years back, okay, hand polio or leg polio or buttocks polio, you used to suffer people. But nowadays, against the polio, vaccines are vigorously, yearly twice, thrice they are given. Twice, thrice they are given. So that the correct option is poliomyelitis. Except neurons in our body, remaining all organs are again shows division, cell division. If any damage occurs here to this place, the damage is cured by cell division. Any damage occurs in our body parts, the damage is again cured by the cell division. But if any damage occurs in our nervous system, the damage is permanent, not cured by any type of medicine or any other things. Okay, so that in olden days, 20 years back, polio disease, out of 100 members, 10 to 8 members used to suffer polio disease. Okay, in such cases, the polio vaccine was introduced. So, when the polio vaccine was introduced, since then, no polio affected people we are seeing. Okay, that's the correct option is 2. So, let us see third option. Third option, dystrophy. It is due to inability to produce dystrophin gene. This gene is located on 21 pair of X chromosome. 21 pair of X chromosome. If the gene is not produced properly, people are suffered from dystrophy disease. It is also one kind of a disease. So that is genetic disorder. Dystrophin, the gene which is producing dystrophin protein, that gene is located on 21st chromosome. If that gene is, see, it is 21st chromosome. On this 21st chromosome, gene, that gene, dystrophin gene is located. If this gene is not available, if this gene is mutated means any defects occur. At that time, this gene may be absent. If this gene is absent, dystrophin protein is absent. Then such people suffers from dystrophin genetic disorder. So, but the question is viral disorder. So, third option is wrong. Next, muscular hypertrophy. Muscular hypertrophy means what? Increase in size of the cells. In case of bodybuilders, the people who are maintaining bodybuilding, 6-pack, 8-pack, 4-pack, heroes especially, they used to maintain their bodybuilding. So then their body, hand muscles, chest muscles becomes swell. That is called muscular hypertrophy. Okay, so increase in size of cells is called muscular hypertrophy. It is not a disease. Among 4 options, they ask a question about viral disease. Virus infects poliomyelitis. Therefore, among 4 options, the correct option is 2. Come to the 10th question. See, like this way, some bits, application-oriented bits you will get, even in exams also. Okay, so 1 or 2 application-oriented questions will give. Out of 90 bits, maybe 5 to 6 bits application-oriented questions, twisted questions they will give. Those are very difficult. So, see this, the backward bending of shank is worked out by. Here, first of all, let us see the meaning of shank. Backward. See, shank. Shank means leg part between knee and ankle. Knee, everybody knows knee, our knee. Knee and ankle. In between these 2 places, part is called shank. That shank is worked out by the backward. Generally, while we are sitting, our body is moved backward. Movement of the shank. Shank means leg part, especially the particular place between knee and ankle. That part is called shank. Okay, so the backward bending of the shank is worked out by which of the following? Okay, so directly for this question answer I am saying gastrocnemius and hamstrings. The backward bending of shank was worked out by 4th option. Answer is 4th option. So gastrocnemius and hamstrings, these are present in knee and ankle region. Due to that only we will go backward. While we are sitting, we will sit frontward or backward only. We will sit like this way, backward. So to make it that position backward, in the leg, what muscles? Gastrocnemius and hamstrings, those 2, not muscles, bones, provide help to us. Therefore, we are happily sit. It is not there in our textbook. No problem. Now I said, learn it. Okay. So, what about remaining options? The first, gluteus maximus, the first option. It is located in upper thigh. It is thigh. Upside of the thigh. One bone that is called gluteus maximus. It helps for moving. So our individual hand will make it move. We will make it move. That the thigh is moving with the help of option 1. Gluteus maximus, the bone, that bone supports. Next, third option, adductor group of muscles. Adductor group of muscles helps in bending of limbs towards midline of the body. Limbs, our hand muscles, bending of limbs towards midline of the body. Midline of the body means what? Like this way. At that time, automatically our limbs, hands and legs automatically bend. Like this way, midline. In such a way, adductor group of muscles, those are present in hands and legs. These two helps for bending middle like that. Next, fourth one already we discussed that. Okay, ma? So that correct option is 4. 11th question answer. Yes, it is our bit only. Muscle, types of muscles, muscle fatigue. Below the muscle fatigue topic, I said it. Below the muscle fatigue topic, I said it. Types of muscle. If you read the types of muscle topic, then you can keep answer for this. See, which one is not the character of red skeletal muscles? There are two muscles, red muscles, white muscles. So, among the four, one is not a character of red skeletal muscles. Option 1, small diameter. Generally, red skeletal muscles diameter is small. The correct option is, it is a character of red skeletal muscles. Option 1, it is a character of red skeletal muscles. Option 2, it contains more mitochondria. 3, more cytoplasmic reticulum. It does not have more cytoplasmic reticulum. Less sarcoplasmic reticulum is there. 4, more blood capillaries are also present. Okay, so among those 4 options, 3 are characteristic features of red skeletal muscle. 4 also characteristic feature of red skeletal muscle, but not more. Less sarcoplasmic reticulum is present in red skeletal muscle. Therefore, the correct option is 3rd. That's all. Next, 12th question. Which of the following is an example of multi-unit smooth muscle? Multi-unit smooth muscle. Which of the following is an example among the 4? One option is example for multi-unit smooth muscles. Here, let us know the meaning of multi-unit smooth muscle. Multi-unit smooth muscle. Then we can say that what is the example that? Smooth muscle, multi-unit smooth muscle means the model is saying the meaning multi-unit number of smooth muscle fibers. The smooth muscle cells in an organ that is behave independently. Each cell contracts and relaxes on its own. Vascular smooth muscles. Vascular smooth muscles. Okay, so those are present in our body parts only. Here present, here present, here present. Okay, those are called multi-unit smooth muscles. The smooth muscle cells in an organ behave independently. They themselves shows contraction, relaxation. Here, these muscles, multi-unit smooth muscles, buttocks muscles, calf muscles, thigh muscles, they are independently shows contraction and relaxation with the help of nervous system. Which of the following is an example of multi-unit smooth muscles? Among those 4 options, fourth option, erector pili. Erector pili, muscles of skin. Erector pili, muscles of skin shows multi-unit smooth muscles. They themselves shows contraction and relaxation. So what about erector pili? Erector pili muscles. So behind the erector muscles pili muscles, right? This is a tiny muscle. This is a tiny muscle that is attached to the base of that is attached to the base of hair follicle, that attached to the base of hair follicle at one end. So erector pili muscles are example for multi-unit smooth muscles. Multi-unit smooth muscles. Multi means number of smooth muscles. Multi-unit smooth muscles are found in erector pili muscles. Erector pili muscles of skin. So those multi-unit smooth muscles are found in throughout our body. Where is hair follicle is there? Hair follicle is there. Hair follicles are there. In all those places, erector pili muscles are found. Erector pili is the example of multi-unit smooth muscles. Okay, actually this is also out of our syllabus. In our textbook, not there. Okay, but beyond textbook, some bits you have to keep learn, so that I am saying. So why not remaining 1, 2, 3? Let us see. Smooth muscle in uterine wall. Smooth muscle in uterine wall. Some smooth muscles are there. Those are not examples of multi-unit smooth muscles. Therefore, the first option is wrong. Smooth muscle with the intestine. In the intestine also some smooth muscles are there. So those are also not examples of multi-unit smooth muscles. Therefore, second option is wrong. Third one, masseter muscle. Masseter muscle of the jaw. Those are called facial muscles. These are also not example of multi-unit smooth muscles. Therefore, 1, 2, 3 options are wrong. Fourth option is correct. That is called erector pili muscles of the skin. Next, 13th question. 12th question option is 4. 13th question. 13th question answer. Least blood supply will be present in case of smooth muscles. Smooth muscles. The correct option is 2. Okay, that's all. For smooth muscles, less amount of blood supply happens. That's why smooth muscles are correct. Remaining first and 3 skeletal muscles. For skeletal muscles, more blood is supplied. Cardiac muscle, rather than skeletal muscles, more huge blood is supplied. Least smooth muscles. Next skeletal muscles. Next cardiac muscles. That means what? More blood is supplied to the cardiac muscles. Little bit less is supplied to the skeletal muscles. Least supplied to the smooth muscles. Therefore, the correct option is 2. 14th question. 14th question. 14th question. Foramen magnum. Foramen magnum is associated with which bone? Foramen magnum. Yes, foramen magnum. See, is associated with which bone? Frontal bone. This is frontal bone. Parietal bone. Temporal bone. Occipital bone. In this occipital bone, there is a hole. That hole is called foramen magnum. So the correct option is 4. So remaining options: frontal bone, parietal bone, temporal bone. Here, this is temporal bone. These are all the bones are articulates with each other. Coronal sutures, lambdoid sutures. Already said that. Okay. If you study about those bones, you can get to know that more information. 14th question, correct answer is 4. Tongue bone. You have to say tongue bone. It is a single U-shaped bone present at the base of the buccal cavity. At the base of the buccal cavity between the larynx, voice box and the mandible. That is called hyoid bone. That hyoid bone always keeps open the voice box, larynx. So 15th question, correct answer is 2. Hyoid bone. Why not remaining? Mandible, lower jaw. English not there. So tongue bone is not called mandible bone. Flat bone. Flat bone means what? Skull bones are flat. See, these are all the bones are flat. Skull bones are flat. Ribs also flat bones. But they asked about the tongue bone. We would not say that frontal bone, parietal, skull bones. We will not say that flat bone. Coccyx, buttocks bone. Due to the coccyx here, our buttocks little bit upside. Due to the arrangement of coccyx bone, our buttocks region little bit upside. Okay? Yes. Upside means little bit expanded, bulges out. So the coccyx bone also called tailbone. Why we are calling tailbone? When we were born in ancestor days, during immense period, olden days, we had a tail. Feminism, tail, we had tail. But during evolutionary changes, the tail was disappeared. Okay, that's why this is called coccyx bone is called tailbone. So hyoid bone is also called tongue bone because tongue is flatted on U-shaped hyoid bone. Therefore, tongue bone is also called hyoid bone. 16th question. 16th question. Number of anterior curves present with human vertebral column is number of anterior curves. This is we will call anterior, this is we will call posterior. Anterior and posterior. So anterior, cervical curve, thoracic curve. Posterior, lumbar curve, sacral curve. The question is the number of anterior curves present with the human vertebral colonies. The number of anterior curves present with the human vertebral column. They asked anterior. In anterior, how many? Anterior, middle, posterior. Now, correct answer say. Yes. 16th question is option 1. 2 curves. 1, 2. 2 curves where they have shown option 1. And the number of anterior curves present with the human vertebral column is 1, 2. The option 1 is correct option. 2 curves. 2 in which option is there? 1 option. In remaining 4 options. Second option they gave 4. Totally 4. If they ask total how many curves in vertebral column, the second option is correct. Third, 6 curves are not there. Fourth, 1 curve not there. Therefore, second, third, fourth options wrong. First option is correct. Yes, 17. If you read vertebral column topic pinpointedly, then you can say answer for 17th question. Why means while I am saying the lesson, I said 17th question answers. The heaviest and largest vertebra among 35 students, only Gayatri Babji and 1 or 2 students only responding, trying to say answers. Remaining all members passively sitting. Involve everybody. Okay, so these are all the bits. Where the bit is beyond textbook, that I will give you explanation. These are all in bit. in textbook bits only. Lumbar, 17th question is lumbar. Lumbar here, below the abdominal cavity, below the lower abdominal, on ventral side. Lumbar vertebrae is heaviest and largest vertebra. So it is there in that. So that the second option is correct. Thoracic, it is not heavy and large. Cervical, it is also not heavy, just 7. Just up to here, cervical. From here onwards, here, thoracic. Sacral, it is small bone, fused, U-shaped, fused bone. So among those 4 bones, largest and heavy bone is lumbar. Yes. So the 18th bit is a difficult bit. Okay. In our syllabus, it's not there. But being a science student, it is important to study. Okay. That's why I will say that. Type of vertebra in case of human is, in our body, vertebra is present. That type of vertebra is called anterior, posterior. In between anterior and posterior, 26 sequentially arranged small units are present. So that long is called vertebrae. That type of vertebrae is called amphiplatian vertebrae. Amphiplatian or acerous vertebrae. Option 1, 18th question. Answer is 1. What is that? Amphiplatian vertebrae. It is also called acerous vertebrae. From here onwards, above part of the buttocks. This is 26 sequentially arranged vertebrae or small units are present in long vertebral column. So that type of vertebrae is called amphiplatian or acerous vertebrae in our body. They have asked about our body vertebrae. Dash type of vertebrae in case of human. So 18th question option is 1. So what about procedure, 2nd, 3rd and 4th? See, if you have space, right. While I am designing those bits, I have given space. Procellus, option 2. Typical vertebrae of lizard, snake, simply reptiles. Typical vertebrae of reptiles, that is lizard, snake, crocodiles, alligators, etc. Reptiles. In the reptiles, vertebrae is called procellus. Next, 3rd option, amphicellus. Fishes and frog. In fishes, frogs, what type of bone is there? That is called amphicellus. Okay, in fishes, frogs, small one is there. That is called amphicellus vertebrae. 4th option, heterocellus vertebrae. Generally, in birds, vertebrae will be there. That vertebrae is called heterocellus. Okay, so like this way, in different animals, different types of vertebrae are there. For those vertebrae, different names also is there in biology. So here we have discussed only 4. According to the question, they have given 4, so we discuss it 4. But human vertebrae is called amphiplatyon or acylous. It is O. It is O. It is O. Acylous. Yes. 19th question. Try to see. Deltoid ridge is found in which one of the following bones? Deltoid ridge, radius bone is present here. Tibia is present in hand, leg. Femur, hand, leg. Humerus, hand. This bone is humerus. In this humerus, what bone is there? Deltoid ridge. So that deltoid ridge, I will draw diagram. See, everybody take that diagram. Deltoid ridge. Actually, about our hand muscles, deep structures they did not show. They did not give in our syllabus. But some bits they have given. Those who will discuss. Deltoid ridge. Okay, deltoid ridge question. Deltoid ridge is found in which of the following bones? Radius we cannot find. Tibia and femur 1, 2, 3 we could not find. In humerus, 19th question answer is in humerus we found. Okay, that's all. 20th question. Olecranon fossa is present with C. Humerus only. The option is 3. So in this one, anterior, this is humerus bone. This is anterior and posterior. The posterior view, see, from here to here. In this region, it is anterior region, it is posterior region. So the posterior view, posterior region of the humerus, what was there? Olecranon fossa. Olecranon fossa. So the correct option is 3. 3. Radius, ulna, femur we cannot find. Olecranon fossa is found in humerus. 21 question. Phalangeal formula. Dental formula we have seen like that. Phalangeal formula. Phalangeal formula. If not, then no problem. If not, then no problem. Okay? That's all. Now time was there. I finished. How much time? 4 minutes. Okay. Right? 20th question, everybody, right? Olecranon. Olecranon fossa is present with option 1 radius, 1, 2. Remaining 4, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4 3 is 12, 13, 14. Phalanges, how many? 40. So, to keep it safe, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is equal to 40. Phalanges equals 40. So that correct option is 1. Correct option is 1. Obturator foramen. 22 question is there for you? Hello. Is it there 22 question? Yes sir. Yeah. Obturator foramen. See, foramen magnum. Here occipital bone. Like that. One more place, one hole is there. What is that? Obturator foramen is enclosed. Is closed, covered between. Directly I am saying ischium and pubis. In pubis region. Not vaginal hole. Don't suspect that. So, ischium and pubis. Second option. Ischium and pubis means what I drawn on the board clearly. See. Like this, our part. So, where the ilium, pubis, ischium connected with each other. That part is called acetabulum. In this region, there is a cavity. There is a cavity. In that cavity, here what will be attached? Thigh bone, femur, long bone is attached. So this is called obturator foramen. It is enclosed between ilium, pubis, ischium. Ischium and pubis. Pubis and ischium. In between these two, obturator foramen. In which our thigh bone, our hand bone is, leg bone is attached. So that hole is called obturator foramen. The correct option is 2. 23 try to see. Okay, time is finished. Next week tomorrow we will see.